What's up, y'all? We're out here on the Cape Fear River once again. April 25th, I believe it is. I got a mission today to catch my first flathead of the year. I have yet to catch one, so I'm just going to be going hard in the paint on that. Hitting a lot of brush piles. Unfortunately, I'm a little bit late on the game plan today because I left my anchors at the house and had to run back home and get them, so that put me behind schedule. But I got some bluegill, some speckled bluegill, you know, some nice live baits in there, cut baits. We're gonna put them out here and see if we can make something happen. Hopefully we'll have some good footage to show y'all when it's all said and done. Yeah, yeah. Alright, got us a nice little brush pile. Actually a nice big brush pile right there. Got them poles all baited up with some of them speckled bluegill. And like I said, it ain't about numbers today. I'm just going brush pile after brush pile, 20-30 minutes a set, and see if I can't find my first flathead of the year, because it's crazy that I hadn't caught one. Usually I've caught several by now, but we're gonna try and make it happen today. Let's see what's up. We're gonna put this first one out there in the channel. I always gotta put one out there in the main channel. First one here is gonna go over there. Them clippers suck. Go over there on the brush pile, about the end of it. Yeah. And the last one's gonna go over there, shallow on the brush pile. Alright, waiting on Mr. Flathead now. Can you hear me?
Mm-hmm.
Hear him splashing around out there?
Not yet.
That tells,
line weeping a little bit though.
yeah, that tells you it's a blue. He come off a brush pile, so I was hoping it was a flathead, but it's a blue. Alright, let me land this bad boy. I'll holler at you.
Alright.
Alright. Dang, son. Don't you get that motherfucking ankle rope. Not the species we're looking for, but the ice is broken. Let's turn him loose.
A big lot, and I was like, did you tell him?
By the way,
like,
your phone call back just worked.
Oh, I'll let you go.
Okay. Love you, bye.
Love you, bye.
Let's make a good mess if we're gonna make any mess. Probably. Yeah, buddy. Alright, now we got a super duper mess. I would be tempted to cut that whole fucking leader off. Probably didn't want to use that audio, all the cussing I just did. He got tangled up in my other line, made a mess, had to cut a leader off. But anyway, fish number 2, decent little porker. Probably 12, 15 pounds, something like that, but still no flathead, so we fish on. Let's play, is it a gar or is it a catfish? Ain't nothing like a good gar bite to keep you on your toes. Oh, damn it, boy. Pull my anchor loose. And I got a fish on over here, I think, on my other. Dang, I can't tell. This feels like a better fish. It's kind of fighting like a flathead, like what we've been waiting on. Oh, it's because he is. Look at there. Look at there. We got him, boys. If we can keep him hooked up, that's what we came for. Oh yeah, that's what we came for right there. About time. Hope we got a good hook set. See it right in the corner of his mouth there. He's still mad. Whew. That's the fight we've been waiting on. Right there. Been a while. Good to see you. I found my freaking grippers about jumping in the damn river. Come on, buddy. We're in the short rows now. Gotcha. Nice one. Yeah, buddy. Uh-oh. Alright, y'all. Doubled up. He's in my other line. Oh yeah, he got a mess. Let's just swing him in the boat if we can. Don't want to do nothing stupid to lose him. First ever double flathead hookup. I got freaking lines everywhere, dude. Bit of a crazy situation, but we doubled up on flatheads. Oh, okay. That's how you fucking lose some skin, brother. Wow. All right. Come here, boy. He's feisty. That's the little one. He just tore me open on my thumb a little bit. Guess I earned that. Gonna let him go. Hook's out of there. So we will get this pole and just get it completely out of the way. We came for a flathead today. It wasn't looking good, but then we doubled up and it just made the day right there. There you go. That is exactly how most of my day's been today. So take the good with the bad, I guess. What are you gonna do, right?